We are calling it the September surge, and we are asking now, has it been good for the economy, and will it be eventually good politics for the Congress party? And to take us through all the ramifications of this, we are being joined by Mr. Adi Godrej, who's the chairman of the Godrej Group. So the question is that, given one of the thesis behind all of this is that we do these reforms, the economy is suddenly going to take off, and suddenly everything is fine. Another view is that, given the state of the global economy, India is not really getting back to 8%, 9% or anything like that anytime soon, and even the reforms are a little bit too little, too late.
I don't think they are too late. They are late, but not too late. And the reform process, if taken forward, can get India growing very well. Yes, the global economy is still on a slow path, but you must remember that India is by and large a domestic economy. The global economy does affect us, but not to a very large extent. The goods and services tax reform is the most important reform since 91, and I think that alone could add, as I said, 1.5 to 2 percentage points to India's GDP growth. So I don't agree with the people who say it's too late, and I don't agree with people who feel that India can't get back to an 8.5, 9% growth rate.
Okay, one final question. We've seen obviously a lot of criticism. So the criticism that is coming in is saying FDI in retail, for example, hasn't worked anywhere else in the world to the extent of really creating the jobs that we are saying it will, and that it actually has led to job destruction in a large number of countries. So these reforms are not going to necessarily help, is the view that is being expressed.
No, I don't agree with that at all. FDI in retail is not a reform to create jobs. It's a reform to improve our economy. It's a reform to add to the back end. It's a reform that will help the agriculturists, the logistics of the country, the cold chain. That is what it will accelerate in the country. And I think we should be very clear as far as job creation is concerned. Job creation with high productivity is what we need, not job creation with low productivity. Otherwise, we could depend on agriculture for the next 20, 30, 40 years.
So we're not setting up a system, are we, sir, that at the end of the day, all of this is really benefiting industry and a section of India, while a large part of India will become, in a sense, almost poor or be hurt by this?
No, not at all. If you look at the reform since 91, it has helped growth strongly, and it has helped all the people of India. Poverty levels have reduced very considerably, and I think the more reform we do, the more growth we create, the better it will be for all our people. And we are not concerned of what helps industry or what helps business. We are concerned with what helps the country and its people.
All right, Mr. Godrej, thank you so much for joining us, sir. Thank you.
Good talking to you.
Manish, can I just start by asking you,